just fell. Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay, fine, we'll go. Don't forget we have to pick up all this stuff. Yeah, the soap. I just threw it in the snow. I stabbed it into the snow so it wouldn't get lost. I'm so tempted to just jump on them. Maybe someday, George will let you ride the back of the train. Oh, deep. That's like, he's gonna have to edit all of this. Just put random sound effects over it.
Maybe
No, just take Nick. Shut up! No, what you do is you take a video from your other train and you put the sound into here so then we can't hear us talking.
It's not an excuse to keep talking.
Butthole.
I know.
What if she had Steph's car? Can we call them? What if I had Steph's car?
How much the cars are like?
This is 102 and there's 163 cars.
How do you tell the cars?
What? We can count them.
You've been counting every car?
Yes. No, I let someone else do that for me. This is gonna be my longest video.
You can edit out the sound probably. Why were you in the video? Dude, there are like people with 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Starting to gain speed. Look at all the bicycles. Oh my god. My mom just said jump in between the cars and come get your wallet.
Would you like threw it at your phone?
Jake.
We actually could make it. We
Yeah.
actually could make it. You
I
just
know,
have to
that's
like roll under really quick.
Jake, you're gonna have to edit all this stuff out. I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, you just take the soundtrack from another video and you play it over it.
Jack, can we walk to your house?
No, my house.
His house is so
His
far
house
from
is
here.
further.
His house is a good like mile.
No, a good like 25 minutes.
It's a mile.
It's like a 15
It's a
minute
mile.
walk.
It's a mile.
5
There's 80 mile plus 82 down there and 80s by Jack's house. So it's 2 miles.
Yeah, it's like a 15-minute walk. But then again, there's a path, which makes it like. So it's like 12.
They have any animals in there.
No, they don't.
What's in there then?
I don't know. Pipes, boxes, anything.
What's in
Kind
there?
of like beds.
Oil.
Petroleum.
Oil.
Petroleum.
It's empty. It's empty right now.
And why is it going?
To get everything right.
It's empty. Look, the springs say. Oh wait, the springs are down. So it's full.
What if the springs are down?
Springs are down. That's okay. We're not going to the Irving. Eh?
Yes.
No, we're not, Jake. No, we're not.
No, Steph's gonna drive us to the Irving.
No, too bad. I don't care.
No, I'm not going there.
I'm not going there. He has food at his house.
It's right there.
No, trust me, he has to get down.
We have Doritos.
Yeah, he does. He has to like a
No, I'm gonna have to buy Doritos.
Okay, we're going to buy Doritos. We're gonna get him Steph. He's gonna go there, turn around, and that's when we're just gonna go back.
This is ridiculous.
Like, how many times?
5. I haven't been counting.
Is it almost the end? Because I'm full.
Shut up! Now, just because I said shut up to you, I'm making this in my video. Okay, never mind.
Lick my butthole.
Ah!
I'm so fresh you can
Shake me, Nick!
front of it, right? Because that's too far.
There's a blizzard out here.
It's a blizzard.
We live in Northern California.
Oh, look, a blue one.
Oh, great.
I'm gonna follow the blue one.
Oh yeah, people love to stay up on trains.
Oh, this train's been going by for 6 minutes. And that's just the DPUs where it started.
Nick, you should just like panorama.
He's not.
You should have followed that, Nick.
I got it in though.
You should make a panorama of the whole train. Just click the panorama start and the whole train goes by.
No, you should make like one video where it's just like your kid seeing written on the train. That'd be fun, man. I would actually watch
I saw an Illuminati sign.
No, I want to show this.
And
blizzard.
I saw the Illuminati sign, and guess what car it was? Number 69.
How do you know what number it is?
Because I count the cars. That's I don't know what number that is because I haven't been counting. But
No, Nick, do you remember when we
That's
saw like the wizard?
225.
No, sometimes we this like super detailed wizard. So then some other guy made this like crappy ass stick figure sucking his thumb. I found it hilarious.
okay, there's the end.
Lick my
There's the
balls,
end.
suck my nuts.
Follow it.
Suck my balls,
That's really
lick my
good.
nuts.
Marcus,
Call me
Marcus.
daddy.
Ah!
Suck my nuts.